night though.
Primitive technology is back.
I've been waiting 2 years.
Primitive technology is back. Primitive technology started the whole trend on YouTube. Legendary channel. This is building out in the woods, out in the forest. No words need to be said. Just the beautiful ambience of the sounds of nature and building. He's got some fresh tan lines. You see the t-shirt tan? Mm-hmm. So he came back from the beach and he's like, I'm going back to the woods. And in this one, he's doing a thatched workshop build. You can see the scale of it. It's a pretty big.
Wow, yeah.
It's a pretty big building pretty big undertaking going on here. If you're unfamiliar, primitive technology. Look at the like to dislike ratio. You think the people are happy he's back?
Yeah, they love it.
Holy guacamole.
That is amazing.
Only 265 people are pissed. When can you ever say that on YouTube on a video that has 100,000 likes? You know, he only pissed off two. That's why you got to shut the hell up and just be quiet and build things. And then people are like, yes, you're back.
Yeah, also leave for 2 years.
Also leave for 2 years. And then maybe there's some appreciation. But we got some wonderful fire starting going on.
Oh, it always impresses me how fast he makes a fire. It literally takes him like 10 seconds.
Beautiful stuff.
He makes a little ember and then he puts it in his little fireplace.
I mean,
it's smoking already.
Listen, it's wonderful. We don't want to show you too much. We don't want to spoil it. You got to go give him the view over on Primitive Technology. I'm sure you already have given him the view, but if not, you're going to head over there. You're going to have a relaxing time after this show's over, and you're going to see what he's up to because it's been 2 years.